That's what it looks like. It has a little,
yeah, that's definitely a chick.
because there's a nest right up there.
Up there?
Yeah, right above it, like at the first set of windows, there's a nest they made.
Where's the cat? That's the biggest one.
I know, so the cat's born, or the raccoon. They're probably both hiding from the heat. You've seen the raccoon, it shares the food with the cat. It comes up and eats the cat too.
I'm sure they worked that out.
Yeah, you know, they look pretty friendly the other day.
That chick is in a bad place. Ooh, what's that?
That might be Mama.
Dinosaur. Not even reptile. Blind balls. Don't touch it. I know you're not supposed to touch it with your hands. Because then they'll just take it out of your mouth. Oh.
Is it walking?
Yeah, it's walking. It's just, I think, confused.
Why is he sitting there with his mouth open?
It wants a worm or a drink of water. Can't feed itself yet.
This is Mom, I think.
Yeah, you go out there, you're going to get attacked.
Tanya said pick it up and put it back in the nest.
You're not supposed to touch it.
No,
What
she said with gloves.
Oh.
My nest is all the way up there. Congrats if you were to reach that thing.
Where? Oh, I can see that. Great.
Oh, it's still moving it.
Get me up to that door. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go. That's a good project for you guys. That's a bonding experience.
Can't do it. We have a ladder, right?
We need to put
Work
something.
here.
We need to put something there
Let's
so
build
the
a
door
step.
doesn't close on them. It's squishy.
That just shows you the thing of picture. That's a good evidence of bird brains. I mean, why build a nest right there? That is not a good place. We have certain wreaths that we put on our front door of our house. Birds try to build nests in them all the time. Right on our front door. We had to take something down. We had
You know I'm having a fit over here, too. This little bird. I'm scared he's over by the door now that the door's going to close in on him. Yeah. That's cancel the little bird.
it's way up at this big. Look at it, way back just this big.
Oh.
Okay.
There goes the Mom. Guess who's coming look? Well, she needs to come in here and get this baby.
return materials. I'm gonna get a ticket for that. All right, thank you, now, we'll see y'all.